All right, so we've got this. I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing on your camera. Over here, you're going to see there's a little white tab up here. You may have to use something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and I'm going to pull it off like that. All right, so look inside there. You see there's contacts there? Check it out. Contacts there. So if you look, this has like a little channel on it. So you've got to feed it in this way. You see that? Let me show you. See how it is? I'm going to bring this up right in there like this. And there, it's on. It follows me. And this is going to be pointing out the window. And when you're ready to put it on, you're going to pull this red tab off and just smush it up on the window. It's that simple. All right. This is your lens protector up front. We can go ahead and pull that off. Oops, I think I just turned it on. There we go, got it off. And then on the back, you might want to keep this because it gives you, it's got the QR code that you've got to download your app with, okay? And you're gonna need that. Here's your cord, and this, it goes into your cigarette lighter. So to connect this, all right, you've got a USB on top here. So when it's facing out, you're going to go to the right side, and that's where this USB goes in. It's a USB-C. So you're going to go, when this is on your window facing out, the USB-C is on this side. So before you put it up there, you might want to get that in there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Just like that. And you can see this kind of gets in the way a little bit, but you can get it in. That's it there. Now the other side here, that goes to your camera that's going to be in the back, the back-facing camera. And I don't even know if I'm going to set this up because my back window is, it's all got bad tint on it. But if I have this on my front window, then I just plug this in. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Then afterwards, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you've got to download this app, and then you can have it on your phone and you can have direct connection with your phone. Once we get out in the car, we're just going to stick that right up on the window right here.